Hi there, welcome back to Travel Pinch, your go-to channel for all things travel related. Today, we're going to talk about solo travel hacks, specifically how to travel on a budget. So, you've decided to take a solo trip, but you're worried about breaking the bank. Don't worry, we've got you covered with some travel hacks that will help you save money without sacrificing the quality of your experience. Tip number 1, be flexible with your travel dates. If you're open to traveling during the off-season or midweek, you can score some great deals on flights and accommodations. Plus, you'll avoid the crowds, and your experience will be more authentic. Tip number 2, consider alternative accommodations. Hotels can be expensive, especially if you're traveling solo. Instead, look into hostels, couchsurfing, or home-sharing platforms like Airbnb. These options can be much more affordable and can provide a more local experience. Tip number 3, plan ahead and be strategic about your activities. Research free or low-cost activities in your destination, like hiking, visiting museums on free days, or exploring local markets. These experiences can be just as rewarding as more expensive activities. Tip number 4, pack light and smart. This not only saves you money on baggage fees but also makes it easier to navigate public transportation and travel with more flexibility. Stick to essentials and bring versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down. Tip number 5, embrace the local culture. One of the best things about solo travel is the opportunity to immerse yourself in a new culture. Take advantage of the local food, transportation, and activities to get a more authentic experience while saving money. Great tips so far, but we're not done yet. Here are 3 more tips to help you travel solo on a budget. Tip number 6, use public transportation instead of taxis or rental cars. Taking public transportation is a great way to save money while exploring your destination like a local. Plus, it's often more environmentally friendly. Tip number 7, look for discounts and coupons. Many museums, attractions, and restaurants offer discounts or coupons, especially for solo travelers. Be sure to do your research beforehand and keep an eye out for special promotions. Tip number 8, travel slowly. Instead of trying to cram in as many destinations as possible, consider spending more time in one place. By staying in one location for a longer period, you can often negotiate lower accommodation rates and save on transportation costs. So, there you have it, folks, our top 8 solo travel hacks for traveling on a budget. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other tips for budget solo travel. And don't forget to subscribe to Travel Pinch for more travel-related content. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!